they're not important. Right, okay, so that was what I was saying about companies having to be SoC designers. So you see a bunch of names there that you wouldn't normally associate with SoC designs. And here's just a snapshot from the Siemens Atlas of Digitization. We're having the right slides. Yeah, okay, so that's kind of the background. But what is, the question most of you probably asking, so what has Siemens got to do with all this? So actually Siemens being quite a large organisation, we have technologies that touch every single part of this, this extended ecosystem. And we provide software and technology into all of these particular areas. So really helping bring the whole ecosystem together, and where possible, digitize as much of that as we can. And I'm sure you all heard the kind of buzzword around the digital twin. So we're working extensively with a whole bunch of partners and customers in the industry to create these digital twin models where we can try out new things, we can model new things, we can verify the technology before we actually have to go out and get our hands dirty in the real world. And that's particularly important with things like autonomous driving, because we can do as much testing as we want, but actually being able to prove some of this technology in simulation kind of really helps build the confidence in the technology. And then if you look at kind of the automotive sector and the vehicle sector in particular, the sort of technology we're providing there is, from the electronics perspective, really providing testability, lots of technology around safety, and also security. So security is becoming an increasingly big topic, so we're getting more and more involved in that domain. And then finally, as I said, there's many different parts of Siemens, all touching the different parts of the ecosystem. So how do we bring all that together? So Siemens has what we call our accelerator program, which is a kind of an internal initiative which brings all of the different groups within Siemens together to really help us build these kind of closed loop ecosystems that we can deliver to the industry. So I'm really excited about where things are going. There's a lot of good work going on within Siemens. We're working with a lot of partners, and there's a lot of new and innovative things coming out. So please feel free to stop by the booth later today. Now that I'm through the traffic, we'll build up the rest of the demonstrator. So come and have a play, come and have a chat, and be really interested to understand how we can work together and kind of help you with your technical challenges. Thank you.